To change your name in Outlook Mail, start by searching for Outlook Login on Google and clicking on the first link. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Outlook online page. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon and select My Profile. On the profile page, you'll see an Edit Name option next to your current name. Click on it, enter the new name you want to use, and then complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm the change. Once finished, your new name will appear in your Outlook account. The updating process can take a few hours to apply. Make sure to monitor the changes.